Hello there, it's Seb from Three Counties Motorhomes and welcome to the video guide here on the Schaudt LT100 control panel. And this can be seen in various vehicles. This one is branded Globe Car. It's a very easy control panel to use. I'll show you these basic features that are on offer. So firstly, we can turn on the vehicle's 12-volt system by pressing the power button here. This is just a sort of capacitive touch sensitive button, so just the lightest of touches and it will come alive, and you can see there we have a power button, and in this particular vehicle the lights have turned on in and around the vehicle where the respective light switches are on, so the 12-volt system is definitely powered up. This symbol here shows the vehicle plugged into mains electric hookup, and it's illuminated, showing that we are indeed connected. And then we have a series of again touch buttons just here, and when I hold my finger on any of these, it's going to use either of these two 4 LED segmented gauges or displays here to indicate level for either our leisure battery, so that's a picture of a battery in the back of a motorhome, and then we have fresh and waste tank. So if I hold my finger here, you can see that's indicating on the left hand gauge the voltage, so we're somewhere above 12.7 volts but less than 13.5. And then here we have the fresh tank, so this is somewhere between 25 and 50% on the fresh tank. The waste tank is the one here with the little outlet at the bottom. Hold down there, no lights are coming up, which means the waste tank is empty. And that's it. And then to turn the vehicle off again, just a simple little touch there, and that's it. So that's all there is to it with this control panel. It's very, very simple. This is the Schaudt LT100. And my name's Sev. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you very much for watching.